Bye. Meet the Mitchell family. Watch out. Ivy, where you going in a mini dress? Let me see this mini dress. Turn around. Oh, very cutesy. I like it.
Look at this, mommy.
All right, but no screaming, okay? Go. Ready? Go. Yes.
I love how it
Don't
just
scream.
starts amazing.
Ivy, come. Run.
We are actually on time today. Wow.
Yay.
Maybe even early.
We are
Wow.
early. We're like 8 minutes early.
Wow. Look at us go. All right. Ivy's in the car. Oh, can you take Ivy's bag and lunch kit and water bottle for me, please, Jax?
Hold on.
Ah. All right. Yes. Okay. Let's go. I did it. It's done. When last time I stand on that mango tree. Thank you, God. It is done.
We really have finessed the game in a good way.
Not sure what's on the agenda for today, but my mom is here, as you guys know, and also Smita, who is like my sister. She's visiting from Canada with her husband, so they're here too. So I'm hoping to see them and spend some time with them today. Jackson's off on a field trip today. He also yesterday got to visit a school in St. Mary where 3 different schools bus their children to the school for a career day, and the crud busters, which was Jackson, Gia and Jacob, the crud busters, they were able to present their work to the kids and let the kids see it and let the kids interact with the robot and what it does, and just open them up to the possibility of robotics and coding. So that was really cool. He said it was a good experience. And yeah, he's off on another field trip today though. So that was a robotics trip. This is a field trip with the class where they're going to Gordon House. So he's doing that today. So, and that's it. Ivy cried to go to school today, but she made it out in the end, and here we are. I felt it for her because I'm like, babes, I get it. Some days I want to cry too. Anyway. No, sir. Watch out. Fritters are fried. My God. These are Atlas requests. Always. And what Atlas wants, Atlas gets. Even though we just done cuss about him.
Last night? Yeah. And 2 or 3 Love it.
So good. Fritters are just one of those, like, for me it's a comfort food. I found this pepper jelly at Los Susan, Melinda's, and it's a habanero, a mango habanero pepper jelly. Divine. More, may I take one more? You just take it so. You just get a little of this. I can't make fritters to save my life. You have to teach me more. It's true. Yeah, but you have a way with it where you just season it perfectly. A bite for you? Alright, and a bite for me. Full of saltfish. Yummy.
Just a roll out of bed. Get myself ready now for the day ahead. Have some up and down, some errands to run today. So you guys know the procedure. They can come along. Tami went to the gym. She's outside. I think Smita and John, our friends, are here from Canada as well, visiting. I know they might be popping in this morning. I'll go see Tessie Thief Nana from we. as she always does. It's always a battle between us. There's no real battle. Nana has to split herself with her grandchildren and her daughters and stuff. Once she comes to Jamaica, she knows that's the procedure. So she's at Tessie's now. She'll probably come up at some point today. Right now, may I get sort of peckish. Brush my teeth, beard. Eat the road, Jack. And I'll be back some more.
Fritta's teeth.
Yeah?
That picture you just posted on Instagram took me out.
I didn't post it.
Who posted it?
It was Meet the Mitchells.
What?
Our Meet the Mitchell page posted that one.
I thought you posted it. Wayne.
That's that, you know.
It's a doppelganger.
Don't it?
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
That's what it said, and I was like, that's so true. Wayne, I'll tell you the truth. When I first saw it, I thought it was Gio. I won't lie.
For
I
real?
thought it was a young picture of Gio.
Really?
And then I looked again and I was like, hold on, that's Wayne. And then I was like, geez, I'm in favor of us.
Yeah. But you see, I was physically endowed and
What's your, oh God.
for my age, right? Saw the post.
How old do you think you were?
I probably was about
8 or
11
9? Oh,
or 10.
Jackson's age.
Yeah.
Closer to
Probably
that.
about 10.
Wow.
It was in my room at mom's house.
Yeah.
So I can do a quick math and kind of estimate.
No, yeah.
Yeah. Clock on the wall and
Yeah.
No, dartboard, all these things.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Excitement.
I'm going to put a picture up, guys, and you tell us who you think he looks like.
Yeah. I think it's between Atlas and
Gio. You see, because the vlog don't know Gio that age.
That age, yeah, them can't
They can't
really
see, but that's the first thing I thought.
Everybody's gonna be like Atlas.
100%. It's an Atlas attitude. That's what it is.
So guys, I'm up on the road now. Today is the day of the big match, Inter Miami versus Cavaliers FC, the second leg. We're going in with a 2-love deficit. The world's greatest footballer, or the person widely acknowledged as the greatest footballer of all time, is in Jamaica. You know, Jamaica is a football country, so it's a really big deal. The ticket prices them gone up 300 US and all kind of something, because Messi is actually here, people. I don't have no ticket. Could I forgot still man watch that show here, but a pure excitement in Jamaica right now. Big up Cavaliers FC because they played a very good first leg in Miami. As a matter of fact, we could have done even better. There was a goal that we scored that was chopped off after a VAR review, and it was very, very close. Very, very close. It was almost a subjective decision that cost us that goal, and who knows what would have happened if we got that goal. Anyway, going home right now to go pick up Tami to go for Ivy, and then we'll see what happens after that. Oh, look what I stumbled on a while ago. It is that time again, people, where the East Indian them are coming in a season. Just a starting of them, just a forward, you know, but yeah, sorry, not sorry, but you know, I will be featuring my devouring of East Indian from time to time, so let me apologize from now. Okay, cool.
When will I see you again?
I'll be back.
When can I breathe once again?
And when will I see you, baby? Baby. Again. What is it? Well, I feel beg and I plead. I not even two they good and gone. Stay bad. She couldn't.
One thing we know, you know, them a bribe Nana with food, you know.
Yeah, joke. I get some nice mackerel rundown a while ago. It just sent me off to sleep.
I shouldn't have bother send up the coconut milk.
You need to send coconut milk.
No, like that.
You missed the fritters here. Ask me about the fritters
No,
then.
sir. No, sir. You never no miss. Me sure to put down.
No, because you miss them fresh.
Don't worry about. Okay.
Alright, we love you.
All right.
Bye. Come here, Wayne. Make your own life.
I'm gonna make your own life, Tami.
Make your own life.
Come. I'm gonna feed you, Tami.
Bye.
I'm gonna feed you, Tami. Come. Tami, why we get kind of upset?
Yes, man. When the East Indian are not ready.
What?
It's not.
It's nice and fresh. Can't stay there. Look at you. Rich and nice. Sweet green. And little shell.
First one for the season.
First one for the season, but just did I tell them?
Oh my god. Oh, an attack. Oh my god, why you even eat it so?
Crabby.
Did you something?
No, how much money now me I wait for it?
Wait, I'm so not okay with this. Oh my, no.
Any MTM family eat getting an East Indian since the new season, yes or no? I mean, I lead here.
Oh, ouch. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Foxy. Oh, you're cooking. What do you have for me to eat? Oh, nice.
Apple.
The apple, yeah.
Yummy.
What else?
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yes, we can use the watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
We can
Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Thank you. I'll soon come and check it out, okay? Soon come and check out your food.
She left this baby with me. She brought him over and she said he's cold, he is sick. So
Oh, you're
I
nurturing
have
him.
a baby to take care of. I
Nursing
think
him.
he's better. You don't see the Sheen miniskirt today. You didn't notice?
Okay. No,
Ivy,
I don't know if I approve.
Okay.
I think he's better now. Okay. He's okay?
Yes.
Okay.
What's it? Whole baby don't know for whole baby.
Where?
Okay, this is the crib. Guys, I'm in the car waiting on Wayne. If you know, you know. I just had the smoky bacon. Now I'm having cheese and onion. And the prawn cocktail done. Oh my god. Americans have sour cream and onion, but you guys are missing out with the cheese and onion. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, we have to go. My breath must stink.
Effortless power, serious acceleration, and the most advanced tech.
Wayne and I have to get a new mailbox. I don't even know where to buy a mailbox. I'm thinking Super Value.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I mean,
That's my best guess too.
yeah. And then we have to pick up Ozzy. I'm playing pickleball today with my friends. We actually ended up playing yesterday too, which was pretty fun. But he saves all of his energy for like his friends. And he just plays halfway with me. Not even halfway. A quarter. Not even a quarter. What's 0.125? An eighth?
Actually, I started my afternoon at Wolmer's, helping them with their pickleball program through the leadership of Miss Leo, who was my vice principal back in the day. So
And
she's
who is
doing
a pickleball fan.
really good job. She's a pickleball fan. You know what? If it was 20 years ago, she would probably be one of the top pickleball players in Jamaica, honestly. But you know, it got the knees and the
Wait, if it
injuries
was
over
20
there.
years ago, you would be one of... I watched Wayne play yesterday with some men half his age almost.
It's true that
And
some
you
of them are
keep
actually
up.
half my age.
You keep up.
Me keep up though.
Mister.
Keep up. A sweep, them get sweep up.
Mister. And I just couldn't help but think if we were seeing you in your prime.
By the way, Tami was there like a cheerleader with her pom-poms. She no normal.
Oh my God, I was nervous.
No,
Pom-pom, right?
Like, yeah, I make noise and I scream under the
It
beer
was upsetting
things.
though too, sometimes. Alright. I don't know if we have time to do this.
Well, Skellion to do
I
it.
think we should get Bean first. You take Bean with us.
No, I think we can run down there quick and...
Go back up. But you have to come with us to the store. We have to go to Super Valley right now to get a mailbox.
Hurry up.
How about you just drop me home first, then go get it?
What, Jesus? I thought you'd want to come with us on the road.
I don't want to.
Thank you, Mr. Brian.
Bro, forward with us on the road, man.
Yeah, we were looking forward to hanging out with you.
No.
Okay, put on your
My
seatbelt.
legs are hurting though.
Okay.
I can't walk anymore.
You don't want to go to the store?
No.
Okay, let me give you a sip of my drink and see how you feel. Oh gosh, guys, the rain is raining. This means that pickleball might not be happening. Oh boy. Where's this rain coming from every afternoon? Ozzy! Why we go back? I said that chicken there, God. Why?
Daddy, what
Oh my gosh, we're in bumper to bumper traffic.
I mean, what game? The same game that you want to go to? Look like the traffic start already, Tami.
Win bumper to bumper and it's 408.
Stay them on the block later, man.
Mommy, can I look at the lunar eclipse?
Yes, tonight is a lunar eclipse too. Well, you won't. It would have been last night for you watching, but yes, lunar eclipse tonight.
What does that present?
It's like a cover.
Can I see?
Fully?
Yeah,
The moon have a cover?
yeah. Oh, that loss. It's not that serious.
For how long?
But eclipse lasts 2 to 2.5 minutes long.
I think you might be right.
Really? So short?
Seatbelt properly,
Because
please.
remember, the moon doesn't move fast. I mean, the moon doesn't move slow. So it covers it, right?
Oh, you can't
And then
turn
turn,
down
yes, sir.
here because them did road
We'll
work.
research it when we go home, Atlas. I'm not well versed in these things.
Mom,
Yes, son.
what if it hurts my eyes?
It won't, your eyes. It's the moon. You can stare at the moon. You just can't stare at the sun. So you'll be good to go.
I still don't want to do it. Mom,
Yes?
will I go blind if I look at the sun?
I already told you. Oh, the sun?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to look at the sun for extended periods of time. It hurts your eyes. It's almost impossible to stare at the sun.
For a long time.
Anyway, so yes, hopefully you guys had a good day where you are. I know a lot of you watch this on your lunchtime. I hope the lunch was good. And if you're watching this at dinner time, I hope dinner was delightful. And if you're watching this at bedtime, sweet dreams. Yes, love.
Can I get solar eclipse glasses?
I don't think. Oh, right. I can look up online. I don't think that. I don't. Oh,
This
man.
guy. Anyway, guys.
Ding, ding, take it, take it. Take it, take it, story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual way. Keeping it together is a real vibe. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just send you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Atlas, that's one of the most beautiful harmonies I've ever heard in my life. Okay? Love you.